Alright, getting ready to unbox the FLSUN Cube printer. I've had it for a month and a half and hadn't even got around to opening it. So let's see what we got in the package. And it did ship relatively quick. Maybe took them 3 days from the time I paid to get it out. And it was probably 4 or 5 days after that. So a little over a week from time to order, so that's not too bad. Because I'm in Kentucky, so it's not the quickest to get delivery anyway. Okay, looks like we got some sections pretty well sectioned off. There's our ramps board, looks like. Maybe, I think that's the controller as well. Hot end, and heating element, and RTD. Some cable management control stuff, and our USB cable there. This is plastic build components. Looks like all of the rod holders are in there, as well as some other plastic assembly pieces, it feels like. These are the 90-degree for putting the aluminum extrusion together. Got our stepper motor mount, and that's metal. Got some tape. Hey, we got a screwdriver. And a little bit of power cable. Boy, that ain't much. And our 110 cable, which appears to have some pretty thin, I'd say that's number 14. No, that's, yeah, maybe 16 or 18 even gauge wire. I can't really tell right now. That's pretty light. So we may use a different power cord. Got our USB adapter reader and the 2 gig drive. Okay, no, here's our ramps board. So that I'm not sure what this one was in. This may be the display or something. I don't know. I can't see through the packaging. Yeah, it's the display board. Yep. And can't see which drivers it's got in there right now. I'm guessing it's the 998s. We have our plexiglass, or yeah, I guess that's the plexiglass components. And we have our fans. We got some Allen wrenches in here. Some switches, our micro switches for our stops or limits are in there. Some cabling. And bearings, pneumatic fittings for the tube, couplings. Of course, your belt sprockets. Some more plexiglass pieces there. It's our sensor, our level probe. One little belt. And let's see what's underneath. Of course, the heating bed then is right there. Let's see what we got underneath here. So we have our 5 stepper motors. This is very well packed. Got 2 mini rows of PLA, a large heavy bag of hardware screws and washers and nuts. We have our, okay, that's really good. They protected the lead screws at least from damage from other things. Of course, they did have them laying together, but they're wrapped pretty tight, so that's probably going to be all right. There's more down in there. It's our rods. All of our smooth rods there. And the power supply, which the last FLSUN came with a little bit too small a power supply. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, this is a 30 amp. That's much better. Last one, the original i3 that I bought from them had a 19 amp power supply, and I was having a little bit of problems with that. I did talk to them about it, and told them I wasn't wanting them to ship me another one, but I felt like they needed to upgrade that size because you couldn't get the heat bed up to temperature with a 19 amp supply. Looks like right here is our 110 220, and it's shipped set up for 220, so real important to do that right now while I'm thinking about it. And I'm already going to use the tool they gave me. There we go. Now we're set for 110. Well, that's the opening. Extrusion, let's just take a look. Yeah. About what we expect. Okay, looks good. We'll start putting it together.